Today's IT job opportunities for April 2nd, 2026. Wish you the best of luck, and God bless you. Please check the video description for the full application links. Job title: Senior Python Developer. Employer: Jobs via Dice. Employment type: full-time. Job title: SailPoint Engineer, Integrations and Onboarding. Employer: Accenture Federal Services. Employment type: full-time. Job title: Principal Software Engineer. Employer: Red Hat Incorporated. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $148,540 to $245,050. Job title: Senior Hedge Fund Software Engineer, Focus Capital Markets. Employer: Jobs via eFinancial Careers. Employment type: full-time. Job title: Senior Software Engineer. Employer: Silveridge Government Solutions. Employment type: full-time. Job title: Association Software Engineer in Test, 100% remote. Employer: Radian. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $58,285. Job title: VMware Engineer. Employer: Greystone Group. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $125,000 to $150,000. Job title: Software Engineer 2. Employer: BAE Systems. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $115,779 to $196,825. Job title: Software Engineer. Employer: Signify Technology. Employment type: contractor. Job title: Principal Software Engineer in Test. Employer: Fidelity Investments. Employment type: full-time. Job title: Software Engineer. Employer: Outlier AI. Employment type: part-time. Job title: Software Development Engineer Internship, Military Veteran. Employer: Amazon.com Services LLC. Employment type: full-time. Approximate salary: $110,000 to $181,000.